everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we're out here at Copart with a new build. I'm actually super excited about this one. I always wanted a Camaro, as you can tell by the thumbnail, and yeah, it was actually here locally. We played on this thing actually 3 times. We won it once, they didn't let it go. Then we won it again, they didn't let it go. And finally, we're able to pick it up. So stay tuned, we'll reveal the price at the end. But yeah, hopefully they're gonna come out here soon and we'll get it loaded up, head back to the shop and check out what we bought. So yeah, I mean, excited.
And we're driving the new truck, right?
Check it out. Oh yeah, I got the shop truck. They said you couldn't tow with it, but we're here and we're towing.
We still need another trailer, but this trailer will work for now.
Yeah, for now it'll be fine, but now it's a waiting game and hopefully we'll get it soon. As you can tell, that trailer is from Copart. Truck's from Copart. Pick up more cars at Copart. Oh yeah, wouldn't have it any other way. All right guys, really quick. So we're out there, we're like all excited. One loader came up and said, hey, go home, you're wearing flip-flops. I know, we read all your comments, we need our safety shoes. We kind of forgot, you know, it's summertime, so we both have flip-flops, and he said, I'm not gonna load you, go home. No load, no flip-flops, you know, we can't do that. So we got in the truck, and then a different loader came up and said, hey, I like your truck. We're like, thanks, and he's like, what you picking up? So we tell him, and he's like, yeah, I'll be right back. So hopefully he comes in, gets the Camaro, and we don't have to waste time going buying shoes and stuff, but we'll just stay inside the truck for now. And let's walk around flip-flops at Copart, because you guys, go to Copart, make sure you wear some just closed-toed shoes. It's a good idea, or you have to be in our situation, but we'll see. Maybe the other guy will load us up and then we'll have to waste time, but I don't know, just wait for now. Load it, unload it. These are flip-flops. All right, so he's loading the car. And there he goes. And there he goes. Did not load us because of our flip-flops. Dang. All right, we'll be back. Ivan's out there getting loaded. Got some shoes. Let's get it done. All right, guys, made it back to the shop, flip-flops and all, and we are ready to get this thing unloaded. Whoa, okay, so we got unstrapped and it is rolling. I guess we're in neutral. Awkward. Here, I'll hold it. I'll put the e-brake on. All right. Okay, so I just put it into gear and it stopped rolling, so that's nice.
Let's go ahead and put it under gear and I'll hold it.
Wheel straight. All right, let's go slow. Don't squish me, Ivan. Okay. I'm ready. Way to the car, just holding it. Run and drive. Except for the running part. Easy. Man, we've done way sketchier stuff. That wasn't bad at all. Nice, let's check out what we bought.
All right, so here we have a supercharged engine.
Woo-wee.
So that's really exciting. You know, this should have a lot of power. You know, we've never had a Camaro. It's gonna be a nice little Camaro. But let's go ahead and see if this thing starts. Let's check the oil. It was a run and drive, so definitely they started it. So hopefully that oil is in there.
Nice,
looking
full
good.
of oil. That's such a good sign. These supercharged cars.
It doesn't have a, you know, it wasn't wrecked in the front, so that's kind of good. Yeah, we're looking good. So as you guys can see already, it has an aftermarket intake.
Nice.
That's really cool. So definitely hear the supercharger whine, and looks like aftermarket headers too. So this thing should sound really good. So we got a jump box right here.
Let's start it.
It's on. Let's see what it does.
Oh boy. Got some aftermarket stuff going on there. Oh boy. Try it again.
Heck yeah. Yeah.
Oh, our jump box dies. Yeah, let's get another jump box and just roll this thing back. Nothing? All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just wash this thing because I'm so excited about it. I want to see it clean. You know, it's really dirty right now, so it's hard to see what's going on. But yeah, we're gonna take the battery, maybe charge it. Try to find where the battery is. I don't know anything about this thing, but we'll definitely figure it out. But let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. Wow, guys, this thing definitely cleaned up nice. I'm even more excited about it now. Usually we talk about it as is, but we just wanted to wash it and then go over the good and the bad. And basically now we can really check it out. Because before it was even hard to tell with that block, it just gets so dusty. But man, I mean, this side, it looks wonderful, you know, ready to go. Let's hit the road. But obviously we have some stuff going on. I just really love the carbon fiber hood, middle piece right there. That's like, definitely pretty sweet looking. The front bumper itself, man, that's awesome. Did notice some damage in the front a little bit too, but you know, it is what it is.
Maybe it's inside. We can glue it or get a new one.
I don't know. Yeah, it looks like air duct.
Kind of weird how
there.
it got damaged.
Something going on there, but man, that's definitely a mean looking front end. It's okay. We can replace that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Let's keep going. So we got some curb rash on the wheels right there. I mean, that's gonna happen. Inside swapped a little bit. But our fender looks fine, honestly. Fender's good, hood's good, so this side's not bad at all. Moving right along. Our door, seen better days, so, but it's just a regular door, so it doesn't have to be like a Zl1 door. You know, we could just get a regular Camaro door, so.
Try to open it, or see, is it jammed, or?
Yeah. No luck there, no bueno. Window didn't even want to go all the way up. I was trying to close it, but it kind of got stuck, so maybe it's getting pinched in there.
Yeah, there's the big damage right there.
Yes, this is definitely why they salvaged it, for sure. Classic.
So when we fix this, should we just do like we did the Hellcat, just like cut it right here in the middle?
Oh yeah, people love that. Lots of great comments. But we'll see. I checked out quarter panels. Honestly, not that bad. $500 or something for a quarter panel. So.
What about a side skirt? Side skirt's probably custom Zl1, so we got to get that.
That sucks. Yeah, that's probably expensive. That's gone. But.
And then probably a little bit of suspension work.
It looks like the wheel's completely crooked. So I really want to get this thing inside and lift it up and see what's going on underneath it. Make sure, you know, there's no more hidden damage. But I don't know. We'll see. It's crazy how they said run and drive.
I mean, it did roll off the trailer.
It did. It did. That did roll.
So let's maybe go inside, or you want to? The trunk looks good. The bumper maybe looks good.
Bumper
too.
might be okay. Like salvageable for sure. Maybe just popped off. We'll just pop that back on there, fix it up a little bit. Trunk looks good.
It's got this really cool spoiler thingy.
Yeah, addition. Same thing with back glass spoiler thing. Looks pretty sweet. I like it. Zl1.
So let's go try to get inside the shop.
Yeah, let's try to get in there. Gotta get the door open to take the glass out, and then take the back glass off. Let's get it. Glass coming out already. Jeez.
Put it up.
Dang guys, that took a little bit longer than I thought, but hey, we got it off. Had to cut some stuff. The door's open. Woohoo!
All right, so just like that, we got the car on the lift. Now we can lift up the car a little bit and take this wheel off and look at the suspension. So hopefully we can go ahead and order some parts that we need and continue this bid and hopefully we can get it running dry. So let's go ahead and jack it up and check it out.
How's it look underneath?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. What control arm do you think, Ben?
Looks like the upper one.
Oh wow. Oh wow, completely fell out.
And axle too.
Dang, axle's popping, something's popping out.
And sway bar link.
Yeah. Take off the tire, we'll be able to see. Yeah, tire. Man, look at that wide tire. This one's just hanging. No wheel lock, nothing?
Nope.
Wow.
It's just a Chevy. These are like Chevy truck lug nuts.
Wow. Yes, please. Big old tire.
And the tire's still good. Look at that tread on the tire. Not bad. Rim looks good.
Nice. Probably balanced it to see, but yeah, good. Need a new fender liner. Dang, there it is.
They broke the spindle. We need a spindle. Spindle's broken right there. This tower end, or this upper control arm, this one's completely broken.
It's more the upper one, so that's the...
So both uppers, a sway bar link, ABS wire, an axle. I mean, not too bad, you know. Definitely some inner structure right here. But let's go ahead and call the dealer, maybe look online, get the parts ordered, and make this thing, you know, run and drive by itself. So a lot of exciting things. We got to make a big list and order all these parts, so let's get straight to it.
So overall underneath is looking really good. Lower control arm's nice, exhaust is good, rear differential's nice, I don't see any other damage. That's really good, so no undercarriage. Awesome. Alright right, guys, so basically we went around and we've seen the problems and we know what parts to order, so definitely we'll get that going as soon as possible. We're gonna knock this thing out in no time. And honestly, it'd be amazing to see the Hellcat versus the Camaro. Let us know what you think, which one's better. Camaro, Hellcat, which one would you like? Which one would you daily? Which one do you think is gonna win, honestly, if we got to go race against each other, you know, on a drag strip or something like that? I think it'd be pretty fair. I think the Hellcat would win. Ivan probably thinks the Camaro would win, but...
Also, Michael, which one stands out more? This one or the Hellcat?
Probably the Hellcat. I would say the Hellcat definitely is an eye catcher. I mean, that's like the money shot for sure. But this thing, you know, it's black, it's more of a sleek, but you're gonna hear it, it's gonna be powerful. I don't know, I think they both look awesome. I honestly love the Camaro, always wanted a Camaro. And here we go, we got top of line one. So super cool, really excited about it. Like I said, we're gonna get this thing knocked out. Make sure you guys give us a like, subscribe, keep watching, keep going, turn that notification bell so you don't miss out, because we're gonna get this thing knocked out soon too, right? I mean, we've done it before.
As long as we can get all the parts and everything comes in good in time and we can find everything, nothing on back order, so.
Oh yeah, back order is the one that really kills us, you know, part shortage nowadays, blah, 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 but it's all good. We'll work around it, we'll get it done. Thanks guys, we'll catch you next time.